I welcome all of you boys in the lesson number 24 grade 2 mathematics. We are studying fraction, guys, and you have a good idea now about fraction, that what is fraction, what is numerator in the fraction, what is denominator in the fraction, how to read a fraction, how to write a fraction, and what are unit fractions and what are non-unit fractions. So a quick revision from the last lesson, then we will continue practicing unit fraction and non-unit fraction worksheet. In the last class, we completed these questions. So, you know, guys, how to write a half 1/2 and how to read it as 1/2. And how to write 1/4 1/4 and read it as 1/4. How to write 1/5 1/5 and read it as 1/5. How to write 2/5 2/5 and read it as 2/5. You also know about the unit fractions and the non-unit fractions, guys. Unit fractions are the fractions which have one numerators. Any fractions which are having one in their numerator are unit fraction. Other than one, any number in the fraction in a numerator, so that will be considered, that will be called non-unit fraction. So to identify the unit fraction, you just have to check the numerator. If their numerator is 1, then the fraction is unit fraction. If the numerator is not 1, then the fraction is non-unit fraction. This is very simple. So to unit fraction, just check out the top of the fraction. If it is 1, if it is 1 in their numerator, that means the fraction will be unit fraction. Other than that, it will be non-unit fraction. Come to the questions which we completed yesterday. The first question was, a pizza is divided into 5 equal slices and Jason ate 3 slices of the pizza. So there were total 5 equal slices, guys, and he ate 3 slices of the pizza. What fraction of the pizza did he eat? Did he eat? This is very important, guys, that you have to write the fraction for the pizza he eat. He eat. So basically you are interested in how much he eat. So to write a fraction, the first thing you will write denominator. Because it is divided into 5 equal slices, so this is very easy for you to write denominator. Denominator will be 5. But out of 5, because he eat 3 slices, so the pizza he eat will be 3/5. Will be 3/5. Because he eat 3 pizza, so the numerator will be 3. As you are writing a fraction of the pizza he eat. So 3/5 of the pizza he eat. But guys, if the question asks you what fraction of the pizza he did not eat, so out of 5 pieces, if he eat 3, that means he did not eat 2 pieces. So 2/5 of the pizza he did not eat. Okay. But here the answer is 3/5 because we wanted to write the answer of the pizza he eat, the fraction. The second question, which of these are unit fraction? Circle them. So you know about the unit fraction, guys. Unit fraction always have one in their numerator. One in their numerator. So 1/10 is unit fraction because in 1/10, in 1/10, there is one in unit fraction. There is one in numerator. The second is 3/5. 3/5 is a non-unit fraction because there is 3 in the numerator. So it is not unit fraction. 3/4. 3/4 or 3 is non-unit fraction because there is no 1 in their numerator. 1/3 is unit fraction because there is 1 in numerator. 3/8 is a non-unit fraction because 3 in the numerator. 4/5 is non-unit and 1/5 is unit fraction because there is 1 in numerator, and 4/6 is non-unit fraction. So up to here, guys, everything is clear to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. Now, guys, we are going to start a practice. We were discussing practice sheet also yesterday. In the practice sheet, we were identifying the fraction, how to color a fraction. We have to color each figure to show the given fraction. There is a question, color each figure to show the given fraction. So this is 1/3. So we have to color one part out of three parts to make it 1/3. Okay. So we have to color it according to the fraction, and then we have to decide, we have to tell that whether it is a unit fraction or it is a non-unit fraction. So out of three equal parts, if there is one part we shared, we colored. So that's correct, because 1 out of 3 is colored, and 1/3 is unit fraction. 1/3 is a unit fraction because there is 1 in numerator. This is also 2/5. So out of 5 parts, 2 parts you should color, 1 and 2 you colored, and 2/5 is not a unit fraction because there are 2 parts which are colored. So if in numerator it is not 2, then it is a non-unit fraction. Now guys, I am going to ask you this fraction. We have to make it 3/6. How many parts should I color to make it 3/6? This is what you have to tell me. Your chat is open and I'm waiting for your answers. Yes, guys, how many parts out of 6 parts should I color to make it 3/6? Answer me in the chat, please. Sami Al-Hiji, very good. Hamza Al-Sayyed, very good. Amir Al-Faleh, very good. Hamad Al-Khalf, very good. Amar Yasir Abdullah, very good. Hamza Muhammad, first tell me how many parts should I color here? I have received answers only from 5 students. What about other students? Don't they know the answer? Very good, Amjad Abdullah. Abdul Rauf, I did not receive answer from you. Abdullah Yunus, Anas Fahad, Anas Muhammad, Aryan, Hamza, Yahya Yusuf, Anas Fahad, Anas Fahad, tell me how many parts should I color? Hamza Muhammad, very good. Hamza Ahmad Suleiman, tell me how many parts should I color? Okay, I'm going to take one of the students who will tell me, and I will take Amar Yasir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Amar. How many parts should I color?
3.
3/6. How many parts?
3.
3. Can I color any 3 parts?
No.
Yes. Because fraction is 3/6. Out of 6 parts, 3 parts should be colored. It's up to you to make 3 parts. You can color down, you can color up, you can color 2 up, 1 down, no matter, no problem. Okay.
Okay.
Good. Now tell me 3/6. What do you think? Is a unit fraction or non-unit fraction?
Non-unit fraction.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Good. So guys, the answer here is that we will color 3 parts out of 6 parts because this is 3/6. So out of 6 parts, we should color 3. Now, 3/6 is a unit fraction or non-unit fraction. This is what you have to decide. 3/6 is a unit fraction or non-unit fraction. Answer me in the chat, please. Jamal Badar, very good. 3/6 is a unit fraction or non-unit fraction, guys. Very good, Abdul Rauf. Very good, Ahmad. Yes, guys. 3/6 is a unit fraction or non-unit fraction. Very good, Hamzal Sayyed. Anas Muhammad, very good. I'll take one student. Anas Ahmad Kabil.
Yes, sir.
3/6 is a unit fraction or non-unit fraction?
Non-unit fraction.
Non-unit fraction. Why?
Because it is not have one up.
Good, very good. Thank you. That's exactly right, guys. 3/6 is a 3/6 is a non-unit fraction because in the numerator it is 3. It is not 1. When it is not 1, then it is not a unit fraction. So we will say it is a non-unit fraction. It is a non-unit fraction. Clear, guys?
Yes,
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Very good. Come here, guys. D. D is 6/7. D is 6/7. So how many parts should I color? For this, I am going to take one of the student. To make it 6/7, how many parts should I color? Aryan Khan. Aryan Khan. Aryan Khan, can you hear me? Hamza Ahmad Suleiman, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hamza. To make it 6/7, how many parts should I color it?
6.
6 part. Okay. Okay, if I color 6 part, so then it will become 6/7, right?
Yes.
Up to here. Okay, tell me 6/7 is a unit fraction or a non-unit fraction?
Non-unit fraction. None.
Non-unit fraction. Okay, that's fine. Thank you.
Welcome.
So guys, he said I should color 6. So I'm going to color it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. These are the 6 parts. I'm coloring 6 parts. Six over 7. So 6/7 is a unit fraction or non-unit fraction? Yes, guys, tell me.
Non-unit fraction. Non-unit fraction. Non-unit fraction.
It is a non-unit fraction. Why non-unit fraction? Because in numerator it is 6. It is 6. Now come to the E. 9/10. 9/10. For 9/10, 9/10, I will take one student. Yahya Yusuf. Yahya Yusuf. You cannot hear me? Your mic is not working?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, Yahya. To make it 9/10, how many parts of this figure, this shape I should color?
9.
9 parts. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. He said, guys, 9. So I should color 9 parts. Yes, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So guys, I won't be able to color 9 here. It will take time. Okay. So I'm just telling you that I will leave this one and I will color up to here. From this portion to this portion, I will color it, and only one portion will be left and 9 will be colored. So this all will be colored. Okay. This all will be colored. It will be like this. Now tell me, 9 over 10 is a unit fraction or non-unit fraction? Yes, guys.
1 unit fraction. 1 unit fraction.
9/10 is a non-unit fraction. Why? Because there is 9 in numerator. For unit fraction, it should be 1. For unit fraction, it should be 1. So I will circle here non-unit fraction. Now, the last question of this worksheet, 1/4. To make it 1/4, how many parts should I color? Answer me in the chat box, guys. How many parts should I color to make it 1/4? Hamza, very good. Abdul Rauf, very good. Hamza Muhammad, very good. Sami, no. Hamid, very good. Hamza Ahmad Suleiman, very good. Abdullah Yunus, no. Ammar Yasser, very good. Hamad Al Khalf, very good. Amjad Abdullah, very good. And Sami, very good. Jamal, very good. Abdullah Yunus, very good. I'm going to take answer from one of you. Hamza Muhammad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hamza. To make it 1/4, how many parts of this figure I should color?
1.
Only one?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm going to color one part. Tell me, is it a unit fraction or non-unit fraction?
Unit fraction.
Why?
Because 1.
One what?
1 is fraction. Numerator.
Okay, that's very good. Thank you. Okay, so Hamza said that this is one part should be colored here, but for unit fraction and non-unit fraction, I will ask to one more student. And Hamza Al Sayyed. Hamza Al Sayyed. Can you hear me? Hamza Al Sayyed. Can you hear me, Hamza?
Yes, sir.
It's
Okay.
also related to the yesterday's moment. This one.
Tell me, is it a unit fraction or non-unit fraction?
Unit fraction.
Why?
Because it's 1.
One where?
Interminator.
In numerator. Very good. Thank you. So guys, that's absolutely right. This is a unit fraction. Why unit fraction? Because there is 1 in its numerator. So 1/4 is the answer. Unit fraction is the answer. Up to here, everything is clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any problem up to here?
No.
Okay, guys, if you have any doubt, you can send the message in the chat box. So so that I can open your mic and I can clear your doubt regarding unit fraction, non-unit fraction, numerator, denominator, writing fraction, reading fraction, anything. No doubts, guys? Okay, good. Now please open your book, page number 84. We are going to start a new topic, a whole and parts of a whole. On page number 84, guys, open your book, page number 84. Page number 84, guys, please open. Good. All right. So I will take one student who will read from here. Ahmad Al-Khalf.
Yes, sir.
Start reading from here. Wrinkle.
Wrinkle bought
Mhm.
a cake and cut it into 5 equal parts.
Mhm.
She ate
Mhm.
2 parts of the cake.
Mhm.
3.
Read from here
2
now.
of 5.
2/5.
2 of
2/5
2/5. 2/5
of the cake
was
was eaten.
eaten. 3/5
Mhm.
of the cake was not
Good.
eaten.
Mhm.
2/5 and 3/5 make 1 whole.
That's very good. Thank you, Ahmad.
Welcome.
All right, guys. So what he has read, guys, and what is written here in the example here for the topic of whole and a part of whole. Wrinkle bout a cake. A cake means one cake. Wrinkle bout a cake, and she cut it into 5 equal parts. Into 5 equal parts. If she is eating 2 parts of the cake, so how much cake is eating? You can easily write its fraction, that if he cut into 5 equal parts and he is eating 2 parts, so 2 parts out of 5 parts he is eating, right? So you can say that 2/5 of the cake is eaten by him. And wrinkle, so 2/5 of the cake is eaten by her, right? So I can say that 2/5 of the cake was eaten, because out of 5 cakes she ate 2 cakes, 2 parts. Okay. Now, if I ask you how much he did not eat, so you will say, sir, there were total 5 parts. There were total 5 parts. If she eat 2 parts, that's mean 3 parts she did not eat. So 3/5 of the cake was not eaten by her. She ate only 2/5 and she did not eat 3/5. Okay, this is up to here. You already know that 2/5 she eat and 3/5 she did not eat. You can write their fractions. Now, what you have to remember here, and what you have to concentrate here, that when we add the fraction what he eat and the fraction what he did not eat, so it will become one whole. It will become one whole. I told you guys, whenever you have same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator, it is always equals to 1. Look, this is the fraction of what you eat. This is the fraction what you eat, and this is the fraction what you did not eat. I mean, this is the fraction what wrinkle eat, and this is the fraction what wrinkle did not eat. If you add them, so denominator is 5, denominator is 5, this is 5, denominator is same, so you will write same denominator and add 2 and 3. 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So this is 5/5, and you know 5/5 is equals to 1. So if you add the fraction which Wrinkle eat and the fraction which she did not eat, that will always be equals to 1. That will always be equals to 1 whole. Not eaten and eaten part will equals to 1 whole. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. So guys, you know it that whenever you have same number in the numerator and same number in the denominator, it is always equals to 1. If out of 5 parts, she is eating 2 parts and she is not eating 3 parts. So 2 parts she is eating and 2 parts she is not eating out of 5 parts. If you add these parts, that will be always equals to 1. That will always be equals to the whole cake. Okay, let's take one more example. Twinkle bought a similar cake. Twinkle bought a similar cake, and that is also cut into 5 equal parts. That is also cut into 5 equal parts. But Twinkle ate only one part. So how much cake she eat? She eat only 1/5 of the cake. Why 1/5 of the cake? Because there were total 5 parts, and out of 5 she eat only 1. Out of 5 she eat only 1. So we can say that only 1/5 of the cake is eaten. 1/5 of the cake is eaten. Right? If I ask you to write how much cake she did not eat, how much cake she did not eat. So you will say, sir, there are total 5 equal parts, and out of 5 equal parts, she eat 1 part. So 4 parts are still left. That means 4 parts out of 5 parts she did not eat. 4 parts out of 5 parts she did not eat. So if you add the part she did not eat and the part she eat, so that will always be equals to 1 whole. You want to see? Look, if you add the fraction which she eat, which is 1/5, plus the fraction which she did not eat, it is always equals to 1 whole. 5 denominator same, so 5 will be here, and 4 plus 1 equals to 5. And 5/5 is always equals to 1 whole. Is equals to 1 whole. That's mean for 1/5 and 4/5 will make 1 whole. 1/5 and 4/5 will make 1 whole. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. I give you one more example, guys. Let's suppose your father brought a pizza, and the pizza is cut into 8 equal pieces. Pizza is cut into 8 equal pieces. If out of 8 equal pieces, you eat 2 pieces, or let's suppose 3 pieces you eat. So how much pizza you eat? The pizza you eat is 3/8. The pizza you eat is 3/8. 3/8 of the pizza you eat. And how much pizza you did not eat? So out of 8 pieces, if you eat 3 pieces, that's mean you did not eat 5 pieces. So 5/8 is the pizza you did not eat. You did not eat. So your father brought a pizza for you, and you eat 3 pieces out of 8 pieces. Your father cut it into 8 equal pieces. You eat 3 pieces out of 8, and 5 of the pieces you did not eat. So if I ask you how much pizza you eat, so you will say, sir, I eat 3/8 of the pizza. And how much pizza you did not eat? 5/8 pizza we did not eat. Okay. So if we add the pizza which you eat with the pizza which you don't eat. So it will be equals to 1. 3 over 8, I mean 3/8 is the pizza which you eat, plus 5/8, which is the pizza you did not eat, that will be equals to 1 whole. 8/8 same in the denominator, so denominator will be 8, and 3 plus 5 is equals to 8. When you have same number in the numerator and denominator, it is always equals to 1. So 3 over 8 and 5 over 8 will also make 1. 3/8 and 5/8 will always make 1. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Come to the page number 85 now. Come to page number 85, please. On page number 85, there is a question. Question is, the figure below has been cut into 3 equal parts. Yes, this is cut into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Dash out of dash equal parts are blue. Dash out of dash equal parts are blue. This is you have to find out, guys. Can you tell me, dash out of dash equal parts are blue? How many parts of out of how many parts are blue? What you will write in the first 2 blanks? Yes, guys. Can you tell me the answer in the chat? 2 out of 3, 3 out of 2, 1 out of 3. What will be the answer? What you will write in the first blank? 1 you will write here, 2 you will write here, 4 you will write here. What you will write here? 1 out of 4, 2 out of 4, 1 out of 3, 2 out of 3. What? Abdul Rauf, very good. Abdul Rauf, no, check your answer. Anas Muhammad, very good. Amar Yasir, no. Amir, very good. I will take one student, and with the help of him, we will complete, and then I'll explain you why. And Abdullah Saad. Abdullah Saad. Ahmed Muhammad. Ahmed Muhammad. Ahmed, open your mic.
Yes.
Yes, Ahmed. What should I write here? Dash out of dash equal parts are blue.
Blue.
How many parts are blue?
2.
2. Out of how many parts?
1.
Total parts are?
1.
How many total parts are there? The figure is divided into how many parts?
3.
3. So out of 3 equal parts, how many are blue?
2.
2. So 2 out of 3 equal parts are blue. 2 out of 3 equal parts are blue. Why, guys? Because out of 3, total are 3. So out of 3, 2 are blue. So you will write 2 and 3. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now you have to write how much figure is blue. How much figure is blue? That means you have to write the fraction for blue. So there are total 3 parts, and out of 3, 2 are blue. So the fraction will be 2 over 3 or 2/3. That 2/3 is blue. 2/3 is blue. 2/3 of the figure is blue. 2/3 of the figure is blue. And dash of the figure is not blue. So denominator will be same, that there are total 3 equal parts, but how many parts are not blue? So one part is not blue. So 1/3 will be not blue. 1/3 of the figure will be not blue. So 1/3 of the figure is not blue. Is it clear, guys?
Yes,
Very good. Now, if we add these two fractions, this is 2/3 and this is 1/3. If we add 2/3 plus 1/3, so 2/3 and 1/3 will make 1. Am I right, guys? That's very good. So we will write here that 2/3, the fraction of the blue, 2/3 and the fraction which is not blue, actually 1/3 will make blue. Will make one whole. Will make one whole. So this is the answer. All clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's very good. So guys, 2 out of 3 equal our parts are blue. So that's why you write first in a first box, you write 2 because 2 are blue. Out of dash parts, out of how many parts, how many total parts are there? 3. So you will say 2 out of 3 equal parts are blue. That means 2/3 of the figure is blue. 1/3 of the figure is not blue. 2/3 and 1/3 will make one whole. Then we have question number 2. Question number 2 is all about circle the items which are cut into equal parts. So look at this figure and tell me, is it cut into equal parts?
No.
No? Very good. It is not cut into equal parts. So we have to circle the items which are cut into equal parts. So guys, question number 2 we will complete inshallah in tomorrow class. Okay. We will keep our lesson up to here, up to question number 1. Okay. So I hope everything is clear to you. Everything is clear to you guys?
Yes.
That's very good. So guys, inshallah in the next class we'll start from question number 2, question number 2, question number 3, and then we will move on to learn about comparing and ordering fraction. Okay, so see you in the next class, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye.